Well, hello again, Rebecca here. Today we are going to do this Summer Vibes Workshop Kit, Project 1, Page 1 from Close to My Heart. I did actually forget to turn my camera on, so all I did was attach that strip at the top, and I fussy cut out a bigger heart to back that glacier heart with the cutouts, and then I just attached it down there. So I've already cut all the pieces that need to be cut, and so what I'm doing here is I'm just trying to find, it gives you step-by-step instructions. For me, I found it to be, it was easy to do, but it was kind of like, put this here, put this there. So if you're at a creative block, I think this would be wonderful. Now I'll keep doing these just because it's fun and it gives a little bit of difference into my layout, because this is not something that I would personally, I would not normally come up with this as a design for myself. I usually, we all have those certain designs and go-to layouts. So this does just throw some variety into your albums. And you will notice that it's a summer vibe, so it's an entire summer layout, like beach, apparel and embellishments and such. I'm using just random pictures. This is me, my mom, and my son. It was warm weather. I have a sweatshirt on because me and my mom are always cold. But anyway, we helped my son build a model play stage for his play class, because it's really a building class. He was the stagehand, and he built all the stages and stuff. Well, he had signed up to do the Christmas Carol in December of 2019, and he loved it so much that he actually signed up to do Cinderella, which was supposed to be in May of 2020. But as you all know, the COVID crisis hit, and he was unable to actually do the play. You'll see here I messed up, and I was trying to get a 3x4 photo, but for some reason I couldn't figure out that I cut it to 4x4. So anyway, I'm going to go ahead and trim it down. But so as part of that grade for that project, he couldn't perform the duties that he had to perform, so he had to pick a play and build a model stage. And it had to be like 2 foot by 2 foot, so he chose Robin Hood, and we built Sherwood Forest. And because his mom's a crafty woman, we came up with a lot of different things as far as like the treetops and stuff. I had some orange mesh that I had used to make some tutus for a Halloween costume. And my fiance and his daughter threw them on the evergreen bushes and went ahead and spray painted it green. So it's kind of got like hints of orange peeking through, and then different shades of green, even though it was one random spray paint can. Anyway, off subject there. So what I'm trying to do is I'm looking at the model and trying to the diagram that they have there, and trying to figure out where I want to place this picture, which that's what I had trouble with, was like, I would have made it different. I would have just done something different. So, that is a Nectarine, I believe, cardstock there, and all Close to My Heart cardstock has a light and dark side. I'm using the dark side, and just attaching the two photos. They're pretty much the same, other than my kids giving me bunny ears in the smaller one. Now, they come with die cuts, and it's really easy because each one is like listed with, this is for project 1, page 1, whatever. So I'm just trying to figure out what pieces I need, because if you pull too many pieces early on, by the time you get to the 5th, 6th page of this workshop kit, you're not going to have what you need. And it does make 3 double page layouts, so you get 6 pages total. And I was looking at it, and this is page 1 of the first double page, and the double page layout doesn't flow through, so you could separate them up into single pages, which is what I've done. I don't do a lot of double page layouts. I don't actually have a lot of pictures to go with double page layouts. And then that is all those little blue hearts there are what was popped out from that big heart, and I have tons of those left over, which I did use on another layout, but still, they're great little embellishment pieces that I will have around, and I will get them used up hopefully soon, because I did realize that there's a lot of extra scraps. So I'm going to make a couple more layouts using just this. Here I'm going to fuss around with this summer acrylic shape, and I'm thinking, do I want to put summer on there? And then I was like, no. You see me shake my little hand there? No, that's the sticker sheet that comes. Then we go ahead and put out a acrylic popsicle right there, and that is a sticker orange slice. And then that's when I'm like, it's a beach ball. We're not really at the beach, so I'm looking at it and I'm like, you know what, I'm just going to do it. It's fine. And I'm going to go with the summer as well, because it makes me happy. So I've learned that from watching some other scrapbookers. Sandy over at State Goddess is one of them that says, if it makes you happy, do it. And you know, she's really made me realize that my embellishments and everything don't have to all be cohesive. If I like the way it looks, then that's really all that matters, because it's my layout. I mean, you know, you don't have to. You could put summer pictures with this at the beach, because if that makes you happy, then that's what you need to do. I'm also looking here, trying to figure out what other stickers are supposed to go on this. I had a hard time with that sun getting it off of there, but it's going to go up there at the top. And the love is going to sit on that. So I'm going to say that that is the title of the page. Summer Love. Or Love Summer. You know, whatever. Or just love. Or just summer. But not really. I would do more love, because it's my mom. She came over to help. And, you know, basically we just kind of sat around and laughed and threw rocks on a board for Sam. Mostly the hot glue, because he was like, oh, I'm not using the hot glue. I burn my fingers every time. I'm like, it's not that hot. Anyway, sorry. Digress. On that little starburst that I put right up there at the top left of that smaller picture, I'm going to write my date on there with my white jelly roller, and my face gets in there. I'm so sorry. I am going to grab some little foamy dots, and I'm going to pop up some of those fussy cutout hearts. That was one that I had pulled off. If you watched a prior video, I had pulled those off of some wood veneer, and I just wanted to make sure, you know, that they were stuck. I'm going to, you know, use my little jelly roller there and make some embellishments, or some embellished marks on those hearts and stuff. And I'll do that on a couple more places until I realize, and I read the last direction, that if you bought the mint green stickles, go ahead and use those to make those marks. And I was like, haha, I understand now. I mean, this is very simple. I love this. This did not take me long to put together at all. It was mostly, you know, I did speed the video up because it was mostly me trying to figure out where things go in life. And, you know, this was the first time I've done a workshop kit from Close to My Heart. And I have since done some more pages, and I've got another workshop kit for the Timber Collection. And it went live today, as of today, July 1st. That's why I'm so excited to be able to share these videos with you, because I've had these sitting in my bin behind me, just waiting to be able to play with them. I know obviously you can play with them before July, being a Close to My Heart consultant, and I did start working on these yesterday, but I'm the type of person that I pretty much film and post. I don't have a lot of layouts in the bank there. This is me putting the stickles on, and I do not think that there is much more that I do to this layout. I will get all that down and let it dry. So I will have a link below if you'd like to pick up this workshop kit. And go ahead and click that subscribe button if you would like to see more videos from me, and give me a like, so that everyone, including myself, knows that you actually like the content that I am putting out. It is greatly appreciated, and I do thank you all for watching. Yep, this is about it. So I hope you have a wonderful scrappy day, and I'll see you next time. Bye.